The Met Office in Exeter has issued a yellow wind and rain warning for the East Midlands, East of England, London, Yorkshire and Humber. The likelihood of disruption has been increased to low and the warning has been made a dual rain and wind warning. The warning has also been limited to Monday. Heavy rain is likely to affect southeastern parts of England through Monday, peaking during the morning period. Accumulations of 25-35 mm seem likely widely, with 60-80 mm possible in places, this perhaps most likely for parts of Norfolk and the North Downs. The westward extent of these higher totals remains less certain. Strong winds are also likely with gusts of 40-45 miles per hour likely inland, particularly during Monday morning, and possible gusts to 50-55 miles per hour along exposed coasts and over hills. Coming from an unusual, northerly, direction may increase the likelihood of wind-related impacts.